Abusia sesi ade me nye Ghana ni bie mu ana eye chema wuntumi ensensem ye be hwahw a asojafo esi handle chema wuntumi se ene de yokopiem ewo eku yes eye kan say ni sensem ya yesi wase Ghana sase eni sikasem bi ani aban kas bi ne charges bi edoso ene de yokopiem ewo eku na ye kase eku EOC wa abusia eye organization bi a ewo Ghana for minute economic and organized crime office yes sana asichire nyina ye den etiye na enoda ena wo mu invite chema wuntumi ene okona woni MPP fo nyina wo mu chairman ko ni ena wo mu koye ena chese wo mu so ni musa ebisa na no mu nsam ene na twetwe nkomo na musa so ja wuntumi se wo nko ene den won san so nya den embra. And then they unia a pulley up a very expensive car bimwa na enye easy. Aya chema wun to me. Kana will pulley up a woman.
Back and coming. Sounds of our time.
Abusia kaya mika wasemu ina chese wunia a pulley up a woman. Almost say a yadi COVID. Not just a percent. Or say NDC for say. Or munchen ni pana or money ni dealing me because. Kakura with them ni and one the adi absia and then they will copy echo with this very machine na copy mu no de asi nyina ne say wo mo arrest no asan so detain no na eno na kire say me no kese NPP for bodam ewo ho yes na yanhwe said ye yankoshe de echo nyina ne said ye sojafo asi handle chema wuntumi after say echo ache no editate ni wunia no yankosha said ye asojafo esi handle no lucky na say na afoforo enya bi enhwe.
We have to take over this Nyambema chair. What kind of life is that? We have to take over this place. Yes, just serious demonstration. 10 days. But assembly ni dey be na check say about that. And the Ghana na omunko mu dia.
General, what's happening right now?
Well, as you are aware, Chairman Wuntumi was invited by the police CID to report at 3 p.m. So after the engagement, he felt and we all thought that he could go home. So on his way going to the house, his car was crossed by about 4 pickups with heavily armed men in the unbranded car, and initially we didn't know where they were taking him until one of the guys that was with Chairman Wuntumi made the point that they are taking him to Iyoko. So we came to Iyoko to ascertain what really the issue or issues are, only for them to tell us that they are still doing their own investigation, and when they are ready, they will communicate to us. So we are just waiting to hear from them as to what their next line of action. So that is why we are here. So they have said that we should give them some time and they will get back to us. So we are just hanging around to see what will happen next.
Is the time going to be today, or you think from the look of things, you think he's not going to be free today?
We are all politicians. When these things happen, your guess is as good as mine. At least it's almost 5 o'clock. As you can see, they have closed. Some of their staff are going home, and it's still being held there. So, and I don't know which people are going to do the investigation or trying to put things together when it's after 5. If the intention is to keep him throughout the night, well, so be it. We are politicians, we understand. But if that's how they want to deal with citizens of this country because their government is in power, well, fine. But at the end of the day, Wuntumi is a strong person. He's a very strong guy, and I know whatever decision or whatever frustration they want to put him into, he will survive. We will all survive. But at the end of the day, we live to see another day.
What's up, What wrong did His Excellency John Dramani Mahama? We are telling John Mahama that Ghana is a democratic state. Ghana is a democratic state. We have to protect. We have to protect Ghanaians. So he's a Ghanaian.
Who to be alone? Stop! Show them! Who to be alone? See soldiers! See, this is Yoko! Who to be alone? Who to be alone? See! Who to be alone? See! See soldiers! Who to be alone? See soldiers! We want to know what is going here! See soldiers! One who to be see soldiers! One person! One person! One person! One person!
We want to know what is going here. Today, democracy is under attack. We want to know what is going here. So remember,
Abusia enti asem ni nyina ne se yokofuo yi wonsom after some invite chema wuntumi na wuntumi ekọ womuni for the second time se nrokoi ena eneto sanso kopie mu wo mu anim abusia ne second time ya wokopie wo mu anim no wuntumi a return biem yes wo mu edit ni wuntumi etime no kase wuntumi enya ni freedom chairman enya ni freedom na wo hwe military fu a na chese wo mo handle wunia ane enwade ade a utimu se bema ayemre wuntumi ya woka se wobia entimi enya ne hwe ewo system ne no utimu se sesi ade utimu se wobi ebetimi aye ne bibi na Kevin Taylor our year NDC for so journalist or more communicator ba akono wabetwere say Chema Wuntumi Kura has been arrested. Then woman blackmailer the abusia na ochiremu minim woman blackmailer crowd the but ochiremu Wuntumi Kura mo ayeden wo mo achi no ama me no kase Wuntumi aye mobo won se Wuntumi mu no sika no mo but sika dey say the term be American obi abetimi enye sika they said the Ghana for that sorry when that Richard Amakwe wo show sika no obi abetimi enye sika but adwini na da obi atirimu no abusia utimu se obi enye sika pa but na adwen atisa sebi akoda yawo ne foforo adwen just because sika wo kopie sika koimu a eno ane se wo sista kosta sa na sika koye ene bi ozumpa wa adwini kleke pa but esanse wo kopie sika koimu to bi ke obi be kase wa adwini kleke dia adentina wo kopie sika koimu force abusia ano no de said the misi kana ti say fan say obi ewo abusuam na say won se da anya yi na so timi koye gelam say enye sika na itimi say nipa no abeye nyense no abusuam ana dabi what as here yes because the go mpo ye jimi but an odен ni woko obetimi akoye adwuma enye sika ebi ni wuntumi eti utimi say watimi adigidigidi ni sa no ma ni sa de enye sika but adwene na nkasa de akoye bibi ye wo ha say amazing TV so far de wunia eho aka adwamu a asojafo ana wo mo handle no de besi bia no ya de babremu nti subscribe for update na amazing memfa wo ensi ahase ye